Hold the pull cord for 2 seconds. That roar you're about to hear? It's the world's most expensive salad shredder. Beneath those spinning blades are 5 plants chefs pay market price for. Tender greens, lemony sprinkles, honey sweet blooms, growing for free in your grass. Stick around. I'll show you what to pick, what it tastes like, and how not to turn dinner into a stomach pump. Sound fair? And no, we're not rehashing dandelions. These are the wallflowers your landscaper annihilates every Tuesday. They grow from Portland to Portland, seed to snack in weeks, and out-nutrient anything wrapped in plastic at the store. One ground rule: if you're not dead certain, don't eat it, and never harvest where dogs hike their legs or the sprayer truck hangs out. Cool? Cool. Let's graze the yard. Picture a bright green shag carpet dotted with star-white flowers. Each petal is split so deep it looks like 10. Snap the stem. See that little elastic string? Bingo, chickweed. Flavor lands somewhere between sweet corn and baby spinach. Raw, it vanishes into sandwiches like lettuce, but brings twice the magnesium and triple the iron of kale. Whirl it into pesto with garlic and oil. Basil will feel jealous. Snip the top 4 inches with scissors and it bounces back in 2 weeks. Salad subscription activated. Heart-shaped leaves, purple or white faces that blink at you in April. Leaves and flowers are both fair game. Leaves thicken soup like okra minus the slime. Flowers whisper wintergreen. Pack a jar with blooms, cover with honey, park it on the sill for a week, strain, and you've got violet cough syrup that kicks store-bought to the curb. Vitamin C? Double oranges by weight. Take 1 leaf per plant and move along, the patch keeps marching. Not the starchy banana. This is the flat green rosette with veins so tough you can tease out threads like string cheese. Those fibers mean the leaf stands up to heat. Chop, sauté with garlic, and you've got spinach that doesn't melt into pond scum. Green, flexible seed heads taste like nutty asparagus tips. Roll in breadcrumbs, bake, boom, yard chips. Bee sting? Chew a leaf, slap it on, itch fades. The leaves mine calcium, potassium, zinc from the soil, and hand-deliver them to you. Looks like clover until you notice heart-shaped leaves folded like tiny paper planes. Crack one open and lemon perfume jumps out. The zip is oxalic acid, rhubarb's secret weapon. Shred a few leaves over grilled fish instead of hauling out the citrus. Brush the yellow flowers with egg white, dip in sugar, let them dry. Lemon drop cupcake bling. Don't scarf pounds a day. Moderation keeps kidneys happy. A palmful per salad is safe and dazzling. The pink pom-pom you used to pluck for She Loves Me. Pinch the top third of the bloom, dry on a cookie sheet 2 days, steep a tablespoon in hot water 5 minutes, sweet, honey-like tea that studies link to heart support. Fresh petals perk up potato salad and sneak blood-cleansing minerals into every bite. Leaves are edible too, though tougher. Mince and fold into meatballs for clandestine nutrition. Bees adore clover, so leave half the flowers for them. Share the wealth. Mind officially blown? Hit subscribe and the free food tips keep coming. Next week, we're turning acorns into caffeine-free coffee. Slide this video to the neighbor still spraying his yard. Maybe you'll both cancel the produce aisle. Positive ID first, clean spots only, small portions to start when in doubt. Compost it. Got it? Good. Your mower just became the priciest salad chopper you never needed. Chickweed for crunch, violets for dessert syrup, plantain for iron-rich greens, wood sorrel for lemon pop, clover for sweet tea, 5 gourmet foods your lawn keeps gifting you for zip. Harvest kindly, keep the patch alive, and turn the weekend mow into a grocery trip that pays you. Park the mower, grab a basket, and start grazing smarter.